Hi, my name is Kathleen Kuhn. I'm the National Program Advisor for the InterNACHI Inspection Warranty Program. And I've spent over 30 years in the home inspection industry. 30 years ago, I started my own home inspection company and built that company, and then went on to run a national home inspection company. We had 300 offices throughout the US and Canada. My husband is a home inspector. My son's a home inspector. So I have a great appreciation for what it takes to be successful in the home inspection business, which is why I'm so excited and passionate to talk about the inspection warranty programs that we offer. So sit back. We're going to go over all the details of the program. We appreciate the success that we've had over the last 2 years. The program has evolved, so there's definitely a number of new exciting features that we've added, and we look forward to continuing to support your success in your home inspection business.
Hello, and welcome to this presentation, a complete guide to the InterNACHI Inspection Warranty Program. The InterNACHI Inspection Warranty Program is a great opportunity to elevate your home inspection business with comprehensive warranty protection that builds trust and sets you apart in a competitive market. So what I have seen over decades is how quality inspection warranty products work and how they are a benefit. Number one, they provide peace of mind. So even the most thorough home inspection can't predict every future issue. Warranties help bridge the gap between the inspection and closing, covering specific issues that would require the new homeowner to spend money making repairs within the first 120 days after the date of the inspection or 90 days after closing. So it gives that homeowner that additional peace of mind that if something unforeseen pops up, that there is some reimbursement for those unexpected repairs. In addition, by providing a quality inspection warranty product, you really help differentiate yourself as a professional in the industry. You help take your service to the next level by supporting your service with this tangible, additional credibility builder. And warranties really signal a commitment to your clients and to the real estate professionals that we work with that you are going the extra mile. You understand that things can pop up which can be frustrating for a home buyer, and it gives really you your business just that many more reasons for a real estate professional to refer you and for consumers to choose you. By adding the inspection warranty program to your offerings, you help inspire confidence on your service. So like a product guarantee when we buy, whether it's a service or a TV, our inspection warranties make clients feel secure about their investment. So it really builds that additional trust. In addition, agents like to recommend inspectors who offer quality warranties because it enhances their own professional standing. It gives them a very clear reason as why they're specifically recommending you and demonstrating that the recommendation of you is in the consumer's best interest. And there's that marketing power that comes with offering the inspection warranty program because they're highly appealing and they're indicators that you're going the extra mile, you're a more accountable company and a more professional company. Now, one of the key benefits to offering an inspection warranty is that it helps manage consumers' expectations and your risk, because by offering an InterNACHI inspection warranty, you reinforce the fact that a home inspection is a snapshot of the condition of the home at the time of the inspection, and that conditions will change as the home continues to experience wear and tear, which is why you provide this added level of protection. And when a client may contact you long after their initial inspection, by offering the warranty, you have an opportunity to explain that you did provide coverage for unexpected repair expenses. However, they were within the time frame of the inspection warranty. So it really helps you kind of address those calls when somebody calls you 9 months or a year or so after the inspection looking for some consideration on new repairs that they've found. Now let's talk about some of the specifics of the InterNACHI inspection warranty program. First of all, it is a pay-as-you-go program. It is not all in, so you do not have to assign a warranty or register a warranty to every property like most other programs. You register warranties on a per property basis. Again, no requirement to offer on every inspection, although most inspectors do. It is your option. Also, there is a 10-day registration period, which means that you need to register the properties within 10 days of the date of the inspection. However, if something happens and there is an issue, we do have a workaround and a link where you can request a late registration. In addition, if the home buyer doesn't buy the house that you've purchased a warranty on, you can transfer the warranty to a new property when that buyer uses you again. So if the deal falls through and you're aware of that, you've got a marketing tool to say, when you find your next house, remember, we can transfer the warranty that we've provided to your new location. In addition, if you're doing a pre-inspection, you can transfer the remaining warranty period to a buyer. Again, we have a simple online request for you to handle that process. The term, our plan has the longest term in the marketplace by far. All plans cover clients for 120 days from the date of the inspection or 90 days after closing, whichever comes first. And again, this defined time frame helps manage expectation while providing protection against unforeseen expenses during this critical new homeowner period. Now, in comparison, our top competitive warranty products in the marketplace offer coverage for 30 days after closing or 22 days after closing. So there certainly is a significant difference in terms of the term that is available through the InterNACHI warranty program. The program is a repair reimbursement program. What that means is that the client identifies the issue, they obtain estimates or invoices, get it repaired, choose their contractors, they complete the repairs, and they submit the claim within 10 days of identifying their issue, so they can send us estimates or invoices, whichever is most appropriate. And if then the claim is covered, we would reimburse them up to their program limits. So they do not have to wait for us to approve the repair. We don't get involved in choosing their contractors. They get the repairs made, they submit the claim with their inspection report, and then again, if covered, we're going to pay them out up to the plan coverage limits. Now, one of our newest advancements with the InterNACHI inspection warranty program is our claims dashboard. So claims and claims handling is such an important part of a warranty program, and it's often a very big pain point for warranty programs. And we've now addressed the issue. So we've created a claims dashboard that provides an enhanced experience for clients processing claims and provides great insights for you as well. So first of all, it's the first of its kind that gives real-time transparency. So when consumers create an account, submit their inspection report and estimates or invoices and detail of their claim, they now can see how that claim is processed through the system. So they see when the file is opened, they can see when the file is being reviewed, they're going to get a communication if we need additional information automatically, or if the claim, once the claim is covered, then they get a pending payment And as well, of course, as when the payment is made as well. So they can see exactly what's going on. They can communicate with the claims team through the portal, and it really creates an efficiency and a smooth process. So we really get to enhance that experience. It streamlines it for us, so it gives us the ability to do things faster and more efficiently, and it also gives just great transparency and a great experience to your clients. In addition, inspectors have access to their claims activity too. So you can see how we're managing claims and handling your clients. So again, it's complete transparency. In addition, you can see the kind of claims that are coming in and take that information and use that in your business. Now, in addition to the enhanced coverages, enhanced service, this is another top reason that inspectors who are currently offering inspection warranties often will move to the InterNACHI inspection warranty program, and that's that client privacy protection. So we do not sell your data, we do not solicit your clients. And one of the questions, however, that does come up about soliciting clients after the inspection is, will we offer an extended warranty option? And we are working on an extended warranty option, so that'll be coming soon. That will be an opt-in program, and then we will reach out to the client again with your opt-in permission to see if they want an extended warranty once the inspection warranty does expire. And this is something that we've gotten a lot of feedback on, a lot of requests for, so we're excited to do that. And we've gotten feedback and requests from both inspectors as well as consumers. So we're confident that is going to be a special and well-received offering. Now, we offer 4 coverage plans. So we offer the InterNACHI basic plan, and that again is a very basic coverage, very comparable to the coverages that are on the marketplace today, pays upwards of $500 to $1,000 per claim, and again, limited with age restrictions, for example. Again, a good, solid, basic plan. The InterNACHI Pro plan is our best seller, and that pays very generously up to $1,500 on appliances, $2,250 on mold and structure, pays out up to $1,000 on roof, and $2,250 on mold. So it's very comprehensive coverage. This price starts at $22 and drops down to $20 if you're an InterNACHI inspector, and then drops down to $18 if you're both InterNACHI and Elite insured. We do also have the InterNACHI Master Plan, and that is the same coverage as the Pro Plan. It's exclusively available to CMIs who are insured by Elite. And the only difference between the Pro Plan and the Master Plan is that the Pro Plan has an aggregate limit of $3,000, which means the most a consumer will get, or the most the plan will pay out, even for multiple claims, is $3,000. So if a customer has a roof claim for $1,000, and then they have a HVAC claim for $2,500, the maximum the plan would pay out would be $3,000. So it would pay $1,000 to the roof, and it would pay $2,000 on the HVAC. With the Pro plan, the aggregate is $10,000. So in that scenario, the plan would pay the full $1,000 and $2,500, up to $10,000 per plan. Now the premium plan and the InterNACHI Master Plan is $32 and per property. The InterNACHI Premier Plan, is basically the same coverages or all the same elements covered, a little bit less payout on things like HVAC and systems, where it pays out $1,150, pays out up to $2,000, for example, on mold, but it includes sewer scope coverage if the inspector is performing the sewer scope, and it includes the 5-year roof leak coverage. So and that's available starting at $29. It drops down to $27, and it drops down to, if you're InterNACHI, and $25 if you are insured by Elite as well. So that's a very powerful program and very well received by those offices that are currently offering 5-year roof packages. This is a very competitive product, if not absolutely superior. Now, getting started, it's very simple. You're going to create an account with us at EliteInspectionWarranty.com/InterNACHI, and I'll have this information available for you on my last slide. You're going to then create your account, set up a billing method, and once your account is created, you can start adding properties either one at a time or upload a CSV file. Now, here's some coverage information that I always like to highlight, again, with the goal of full transparency. First of all, plumbing scope. Probably the area where the program is the lightest is on plumbing, in that we specifically exclude coverage for secondary lines, branch lines, and fixtures. So when the consumer moves in, if they find that small leak, that's generally not going to be a covered item. In addition, small issues, cosmetic problems typically are going to fall outside the coverage scope, or conditions or deficiencies that are noted, specifically noted, of course, in the inspection report, are excluded. There are hard, fast age restrictions for the basic plan. So for the basic plan, we exclude any coverage for systems that are over 12 years old. In all our other plans, there are no hard, fast age restrictions for coverage. However, if the inspector notices or documents in the report that the system is nearing or at the end of its lifespan, it's likely to be excluded. However, the program is also a repair reimbursement program. And what that means is that it's designed to pay consumers or reimburse consumers for repairs. They understand the condition of the house they're buying because you did the inspection report. It's not designed to give them something brand new, but to reimburse them for repairs. Most plans are repair reimbursement program that are in the inspection guarantee or inspection warranty category. However, we uniquely offer a replacement benefit. So what that means is, if the system cannot be repaired, most plans will say you don't have coverage. It's a repair reimbursement program. The InterNACHI inspection warranty program has a replacement benefit. So if the water heater can't be repaired and has to be replaced, we will still pay out $500 towards the replacement of that system. So even though the homeowner understands they have a 7-year-old water heater or 8-year water heater and it failed and it has to be replaced, they are still going to get $500 towards the replacement of that older system. Now, a lot of times when I'm talking to home inspectors and they're talking to real estate agents, they want to understand the difference between the inspection warranty, the InterNACHI inspection warranty program, and traditional warranties. And it's a great question. Well, first of all, the InterNACHI inspection warranty has immediate activation. Most traditional warranties have a 30-day waiting period after closing. So there's a gap for that new homeowner, which is great because we really overlap, right? We cover them from closing for the first 90 days after closing, or 120 days from the date of the inspection, and their home warranty generally will not kick in for 30 days after closing. So we cover that gap. The coverage is very different too, because the inspection warranty is tied to the inspection and what's been inspected. And traditional home warranties focus generally on mechanical systems in the house, but things like doorbells and door chimes and ceiling fans and humidifiers, and often things that are not necessarily included in a standard home inspection. In addition, however, a standard home inspection inspects things like structure or roof, which are typically not covered on a warranty. So they do overlap a little bit in coverage, but they really are different coverages. The difference is most national programs have service networks, and when there's a claim, there has to be an approval for the repair, and the warranty company is going to assign a technician or a service professional. With the inspection warranty, the client's in complete control. They get the repairs done by whomever they want, and they don't need our prior approval, so it's just a different experience. In addition, traditionally, our inspection warranty programs have higher payouts. It depends, of course, on the program, but generally, again, it's a limited period. It's not as long as the full home warranty, but the payouts tend to be higher. So the interesting thing is that the inspection warranties actually work very well with the traditional home warranty because there is that overlap, and also because the InterNACHI inspection program does not have a other covered clauses exclusion. So what that means is some inspection warranties on the market have an exclusion that says if the homeowner has coverage elsewhere for this repair, then our coverage is voided. We do not have that. So technically a consumer could put in a claim with us and put in a claim with their home warranty program and be reimbursed by both parties, and that's completely okay with us because we're going to stand behind our coverage. We're not going to use additional coverage that they've gotten somewhere else as a way to eliminate our coverage. We're going to pay them as they expected to be paid and as our coverage provided. Now, as we start to wind down, again, thank you very much for your time. Just want to summarize a little bit of the benefits of the InterNACHI inspection warranty program. First of all, it demonstrates your commitment to quality service even beyond the inspection day. It also helps address future concerns. So when clients contact you months and months later about issues, you can reinforce the fact that the warranty has expired. You did stand behind your inspection and the consideration for potential future repairs. However, that time frame has expired. So it really helps to set clear boundaries. It defines the 120-day timeline, which really helps protect both the inspector and the client and creating a more balanced relationship. And it fosters loyalty. So clients who feel protected and get covered, they are great advocates for generating referrals and repeat business. And it's really important that, remember, our goal is to foster loyalty with you too. So we are very flexible. We come from the position of trying to cover claims. If there are some unique circumstances, your client has unique circumstance, we will always take that into consideration, and we will always work with you. So our commitment to you, first of all, it's long-term. Remember, we are a EliteMGA company, so we are in the business of risk management for home inspectors. That's very important. We are not just a warranty company. We appreciate your relationship and understand your relationship with your client and approach each claim and each interaction with that in mind. We are a privacy-first company, so we respect client privacy and never sell their data. We are coverage-focused. So we approach every claim with the intention of providing the maximum coverage as required in the coverage or the plan that has been purchased. And as the leader in risk management for home inspection, our goal is really to provide that 360 protection. So combining the InterNACHI membership, the Elite insurance, and one of our InterNACHI inspection warranty plans really provides the ultimate in business protection and also offers you the most competitive pricing for those products, as well as gives you that big competitive edge in your marketplace. Okay, a couple frequently asked questions. Which program do most inspectors utilize? 97% of our inspectors utilize the Pro or Premium program. That's the bottom line. We do some basic plans. We do some master plans, but the vast majority will use the Pro or Premium plan because they provide the most robust coverage, and it's really the best value for the inspector. So another question is, can an inspector pass the cost of the inspection warranty onto the consumer? And of course they can. So most inspectors do choose to include the warranty on every inspection, and they build it into their standards fees. They usually will raise their fees to cover their cost or then some, while others will offer it as an upgraded package. So which means that if you have a basic inspection package that is just your standard inspection, you then have a upgraded package that maybe includes also a radon screening plus the inspection warranty, and then you might have a premier package which is radon, inspection warranty, sewer scope. So many inspection companies will build those packages and put the warranty plan in the upgraded packages, which the feedback that we're getting is that actually does increase the purchases of premium plans. So that's good to hear. So that's the way inspectors will do it. The inspectors really can't offer the inspection warranty as a specific ancillary service or upgrade. They've got to really build it into a package because technically the inspector can't sell the warranty directly. So then the next question comes up, how do I offer the warranty as an upgrade? And again, that's where you're offering the great, better, best option, with the better and best option being, your inspections with additional services as well as the inspection warranty. And if we have some sample flyers, what that looks like, how packages work, you can certainly reach out to us and we can review that with you. There are different links to register your warranties and create an account. We've also created a marketing hub, if you will, so that you don't have to log in. It's just all the information is accessible to you. That is at the website is inspectionwarrantyinfo.com, inspectionwarrantyinfo.com, and there you can read a lot more FAQs. You can see all the plan pricing. You can download marketing resources. So we've got consumer and agent focused flyers. We've got an agent office talk. We've got what's covered flyers. And then there's also a link to important links. So that's where you can access where to register warranties. In addition, there are links to each plan that you can use in marketing your program. I mentioned the links to market the program. So we have a consumer landing page for each plan. So for the basic plan, for the pro plan, for the premium plan, etc. And there is a link then that you can use to include in your communications to your clients, put it on your website, and it is a very simple but compelling landing page that highlights the coverage that you're offering, has a link to the terms and conditions, as well as a link to report a claim. So if after your inspection months later the customer says, I need to file a claim, I lost the email that I got from the company, you can send them to this link. But more importantly, it's a good marketing tool. And also, because we link our terms and conditions to these pages, you should really always use the links versus distributing the terms and conditions on your own, just in case terms and conditions change a little bit or tweak. You always know that by using the link and giving the client access to the terms and conditions through the link, they're always going to have the most updated terms and conditions. Once again, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your interest. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me at kkuhn@EliteMGA.com or call me at 484-552-3511. Remember, those resources we talked about are available at inspectionwarrantyinfo.com. Again, thank you for your time. I look forward to working with you. Hello, and welcome to this presentation, a complete guide to the InterNACHI